What's this?
Maddie had some leftover sweet potatoes and Mario mentioned chips. So I thought, oh, what's the problem, Izzy?
I was cleaning the fridge and found these odd pieces of cheese. It seems such a waste to throw them out.
You're right. It would be a waste. Tell you what, Izzy, get the cheese grater.
Portion of chips. Give it to me. With salt and vinegar to have for my tea.
Huh?
I can't help it, Eddie. All I can think about is chips. I bet Shane's making them right now. It's no good, Eddie. I've got to have some chips.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
It's a proper mess in there, and no mistake.
Oh, and the kitchen is completely wrecked.
But everything was set up in there for the dinner dance tonight.
Oh, what are we going to do? I was so looking forward to the dance.
Well, why don't we hold it in the town square? We can build the dance floor here. Rig up a sound system.
You could use mine.
And I'll cook the food in my kitchen. Woohoo! Problem solved.
I'm afraid that won't be possible.
Who's that?
That would be Mr. Barker, the building safety inspector from the council.
I'm afraid I'm going to have to turn off the gas to all the buildings in the market square. We need to ensure that none of the pipes have been damaged.
Oh no! How are we supposed to cook the food now?
Don't worry, Izzy. I'll think of something. I hope.
Just needs a tweak. It's ha. Okay, Mario, give it a go.
Yeah.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Okay, everybody. It's sandwich time.
How's my dad doing?
I can't say officially until the sandwich is complete, but unofficially, it's looking very good. Very good indeed.
We shouldn't be too much longer.
Look out!
Hey, stop! Oh, it's moving off!
What is he doing?
Sizzling saucepans!
Dad!
Watch out! Whoa, it's out of control!
Going.
Oh no!
Okay.
Come on, quick!
Whoa, help! Izzy! Oh no! Wait! Ah!
We'll never catch it!
Whoa, it's out of control! I'm out of control! Whoa! Watch out! Giant sandwich coming through! Okay. What would Tony Gold do? Careful. Ah! I think I've got the hang of this. Oh no! Wait! Whoa! Ah! Izzy, help me! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, watch out!
There he goes. Dad! Dad! Dad!
Yeah, don't worry. I'm okay!
How fast it's going!
Wow! I'm really skateboarding now, just like Tony Gold.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Quick, let's catch those hens!
And if you find any eggs, bring them back here.
Oh no, stay! Oh, wait, don't go!
Gotcha!
Oh,
Hey!
Are you over here? Ah! Here we go. Come out wherever you are. There you are.
oi! You know I can see you. Whoa! Oops! Oh, this isn't working.
Aha! There you are.
Hey? Hey? Oh, I'm hungry.
I give up. I've lost them. Whoa! Yes!
Thanks, Mario.
There you are.
There. That's all of them. Thanks, everyone.
And thanks for all these eggs. I'd better get cooking or it'll be lunchtime soon.
Scrambled eggs coming up.
You must never wander off again, hens. Do you hear me? Here he is, Shane the chef.
Come on, Sam. We trained for this run together, so that's how we'll finish it.
Right, you are.
Yes! Well done, guys. We did it!
Hang on. Where's Mum?
And where's the donkey? Look, there he is. Oh, and your mum, and Mario.
Oh, we made it!
Yeah!
Yes!
Oh, I did it!
Hey! Come on, Sam, you can do it.
Now you stay here this time.
Ah, yeah, well done, Sam.
Thanks, Shane. I guess there is life in these old sea legs yet.
Of course there is, Sam. All those healthy meals really helped us train.
And they were lovely.
And the winner of the adult run is Penny Sink. Attention, everyone. Good news. We have raised enough money to get a place for Donkey at the local sanctuary. Give yourselves a cheer.
Yay! Yay!
Did it!
I couldn't have done it without you, Sam.
Hooray!
And let's hear it for Donkey.
He's not there. Where is he?
Oh, I thought I tied him up. Oh dear. Not again. Please stop.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Good colour. Even flesh. Lovely town.
I think he likes it.
Yeah, but I really hope Dad's all right.
The marrow! Go for the marrow!
The marrow. That's it. Sorry, Mrs. Singh, but I'm going to need this.
Here, Izzy, let me help.
It's going to take more than that to feed everyone.
Will this help, Dad?
I can't use your marrow. What about the competition?
I changed my mind. Do you think you can make my marrow into something tasty?
I know just the thing. You need to get tweaking, JG. Let's get cooking.
And tweaking.
Back of the oven. Izzy, you did it.
Congratulations!
Yes, indeed. A pumpkin to be proud of.
Oh, thanks. But what did Izzy want with her marrow?
Roll up for Izzy's marvellous marrow spaghetti.
With very veggie sauce.